Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in today's video we will learn how to send Slack notification for video upload on Gumlet. So as we know that Gumlet is a one-stop solution for video streaming and hosting. So here whenever a video is uploaded on Gumlet, then I want to send a channel message on Slack to my team. So how will I do this? For that I need to integrate both of these applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect, where my trigger application will be Gumlet and my action application will be Slack. So to learn how I set up the integration between these two applications, follow me through the screen.
In this video, we will learn that how you can send Slack notification for video upload on Gumlet. So here, whenever a video is uploaded on Gumlet, then I want to send a Slack notification in my channel. So to integrate and automate this entire process, I will sign into my Pabbly Connect account. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and at the time of account creation, you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I will simply sign in. Now this is the all applications page by Pabbly. I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. And I have arrived on my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, on my right hand side corner, I will click on this create workflow button. And now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I have named it as send Slack notification for video upload on Gumlet. And over here on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders I have created before. So I want to create this workflow in the folder named as Gumlet. So now I will simply click on create. As I did that, I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect, on which this entire integration and automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is the response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger application but multiple action applications. So moving further, as my use case is that I want to send Slack notification for video upload on Gumlet. So over here in my trigger window, I will be selecting my trigger application as Gumlet, and I will search for Gumlet over here, and here it is. So after selecting my trigger application, moving to the trigger event, that will be video status. That means this trigger will start working whenever the video status will change. So I am selecting it. And here you can see now a webhook URL is given along with the help desk. So read this help desk given carefully, because this webhook URL will help you to connect your Gumlet account with Pabbly Connect. And now to create a connection between Gumlet and Pabbly Connect, I will take you to my Gumlet account. Over here, I will go to organization and I will go to webhooks. So here you can see that these are some existing webhooks, but to create a new webhook, I will click on this add webhook button on my right hand side corner. And now in this box, a webhook URL is asked, a secret token is asked along with collections and the trigger event. So over here, as we have got the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect, so we will simply paste it. But moving on to the secret token, where will I find this? For that, I will go to user, go to API keys. And now over here, these are some existing API keys, and I will generate a new one. So I will click on this create new API key button. And now over here, I need to give my API key a name. So I'm giving it as current, and over here the role will be owner has all permissions. And now I will click on this create API key button. And over here it says that you need to copy this key somewhere safe, because this key will not be visible later. So I will simply copy this and I will close this. And now I will go back to organization, go to webhooks, and I will paste the secret token over here. After pasting it, moving to the webhook URL, from Pabbly Connect, I will copy the webhook URL and go back to Gumlet, and over here I will paste it. Moving to collections. So over here on my right hand side, here are my collections. So I have only one collection, that is by the name of demo collection. So I've selected it, and the trigger event will be video status. That means this trigger event will start whenever the video status will change. So I will simply click on add webhook. And here you can see that my webhook is generated, and in Pabbly Connect, it is waiting for a response now. That means now I have to upload a video in Gumlet. So over here the response will be captured. So now I will upload a video over here in Gumlet. So I will go to video CMS. And now to upload a new video, I will click on this upload video button. And over here you have two options. Either you can go with process video with profile or process video with specific parameters. If you want to process the video with specific parameters, you can go with this option, or you can simply go with process video with profile option. So over here I have selected my profile, and now I will click on next. And now over here in this upload video box, I need to add the video over here. So I will go to my device, and over here this is the video which I want to upload, and I will click on open. And now this uploading will take a little bit of time. In the meanwhile, if you want to add the description or tags, you can do that. So now the video is being uploaded over here. It's in process. So here now I will click on done. And it says updated successfully, and it is in a pre-processing phase right now. Here you can see that it has captured the response. So it has captured the response that the upload is pending. And now it has captured some other details as well along with it. So as I've shown in Gumlet that the video was in pre-processing phase. So the response over here is captured for the same. So now we will go to see the history of this workflow. And over here you can see that the trigger has given us 4 responses. So over here in the first response, it was that the upload is pending. So it is appearing in a trigger window. Moving on to the second response, that was the video is now downloading and the status is downloading. Moving to the third response. Here the third response was validated, and moving to the fourth response, and that was ready. So that means the video is successfully uploaded in Gumlet, and over here in Pabbly Connect, the response is captured successfully. So now I will close this. And now moving further, I will click on this action application. So over here in my action application, I will use filter by Pabbly because it will help me to set condition in this automation. So I will select the filter. So now here in filter, I want to set a condition that this automation should only run ahead when the value over here is equal to ready. That means the value should be ready. Then only this automation should run ahead. That means then only a message should be sent on my Slack channel. So moving to select label, from the response received, I will select the status. And now I will click on save and send test request to see the response. So here it says that the status is error and the message's condition is false. But when this workflow will run in real time, the status and the message will be true. Now moving further, as my use case was to send a channel message in Slack. So in this action window, I will search for Slack, and here it is. And we will go to action event, and over here I will go with send channel message. And after selecting my action application and action event, I need to establish a connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect. So I will simply click on connect. And now if you have an existing connection, you can go with the same, or you can add a new connection. So as of now, I will go with the existing connection, and I will click on save. So over here, these are my channels. I want to send a channel message in this channel that is named as random. So I've selected it over here. Over here, now I need to enter the message that I want to send in my Slack channel. So now over here, I've written this message that goes as check this video. And now I also want to share the video link in this message. So in our response, we don't have the video link. So what I will do is, I will go to my Gumlet account. Over here, I will copy this link. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I have pasted the link over here. So here you can see that we have got the asset ID, that is the video ID over here. So I will remove it. Now why I've removed the ID from over here? Because now whenever a new video will be uploaded in Gumlet, then I want the asset ID should be changed so that the new video notification can be sent in my Slack channel. So over here, I will map the asset ID. So with the help of mapping, now whenever a new video will be uploaded in Gumlet, the asset ID of that old video will be replaced with the new one, and this message will be shared along with the new video link. So that is why I have mapped the asset ID and copied the starting link from Gumlet. So moving further, as per my use case, I don't want to mention these fields, so I'm leaving them blank. But if you want to enter the bot name, bot icon, image URL or image alt text, so you can do that. Over here, I will simply click on save and send test request to see the response that we will receive. And over here, you can see that we have received the response. I will take you to my Slack account. And over here, you can see that we have received the response successfully in Slack. That means the integration between Gumlet and Slack is successful. And the automation is set that whenever a video will be uploaded in Gumlet, then automatically a channel message will be sent in Slack. And now I will show you how this automation will work in real time. I will go to Gumlet. Over here in Video CMS, I will upload a new video and I will click on Next. Over here, I will select the file and the file is this and I am clicking on Open. So now I will click on Upload File. Now I will click on Done. And the video is uploaded over here successfully. Now I will take you back to Pabbly Connect to show you the response received. So over here, you can see that in filter, the status is success and the messages condition is true. And here in Slack, you can see that the video message is sent successfully.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.